there, soup lovers! Today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make a rich and creamy potato soup that will warm your soul and bring you comfort like never before. Let's get started. First, peel and dice some fresh potatoes. You want about 4 cups of potatoes for this recipe. Now grab a large pot and melt some butter over medium heat. Once it's melted, add in some diced onions and sauté them until they become translucent and fragrant. Next, it's time to add the potatoes to the pot. Make sure they're all coated in that delicious buttery goodness. Now pour enough vegetables or chicken broth to cover the potatoes. We want them to simmer and get tender, so make sure they're covered in that flavorful broth. While the potatoes are cooking away, it's time to add some wonderful flavors. We'll use garlic powder, dried thyme, and a pinch of nutmeg, a secret ingredient that will elevate the soup to another level of deliciousness. Give it a gentle stir, and don't forget to season with salt and pepper. We want those flavors to meld together perfectly. Now leave the pot to simmer for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and tender. Once they're done, turn off the heat and grab an immersion blender. Carefully blend the soup until it becomes smooth and creamy, with no lumps or chunks in sight. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can transfer the soup to a blender, but be careful not to burn yourself. And there you have it. Our rich and creamy potato soup is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot and garnish with some fresh chives and crispy bacon bits. This soup is the perfect companion for a chilly day or when you're craving good old-fashioned comfort food. Trust me, 1 spoonful and it'll warm you to the core. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more soul-warming recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking!